Hey YouTubers, it's Ernie Veritimus, the buyer of gold, and I thought I'd do a quick look at a number of different precious metal ETFs, and going through and I'm finding all kinds of great objective plays. What I'd like to illustrate here really is just two that are very representative of virtually everything that I've seen, regardless of the metal, whether it's silver, gold, platinum, palladium. It really doesn't matter. And the one I have on the left, this is the silver ETF, SLV. It tracks the silver contracts. And it is setting up off of a very long base into a cup and a handle, a little handle forming off here. And that handle is being supported by the 50-day moving average. This really is an objective setup. And quite frankly, if we break through this trend line here that you see, this blue trend line, I believe that silver is going to take off. And the way you measure the potential for this pattern is by taking the height from the bottom of the cup to the brim, which is this thing, or what some people call the neckline. And right now, the bottom of that cup is at 1475. And the brim, I guess, is somewhere around 18. So let's call it's a little bit more than 18, almost 18 and a quarter. So let's call that 4.5 points. So the target then for this particular setup would be 4.5 points on top of 18, or about 2250. So there you go on silver. And then on the right here, I have the GDX, which is the GDX daily chart, which is the gold mining ETF. And if you look at this chart, it looks almost exactly like the silver chart. And if I were to bring up the GLD, which is the gold ETF, it really looks the same as well. But it's really the same thing, a long base with this cup and a handle forming, and support from the 50-day moving average, the exponential moving average, the EMA. And if we were to measure this, it's going at the bottom from 40 to, let's say, 50, 51, or 10 points. So it looks like if we break through at about 48.50 or so, this could run as high as 58 or thereabouts. Those are all kind of ballpark, but those are typically how you would measure breakouts and the potential target. So there you go. Silver and gold. Have a good one.